Buddies, what's good? We're finally back with some more Gfriend content, and it's gonna be a huge one because, like I said, whenever I leave you guys hanging, of course I gotta do a full video for you guys, especially because I just miss him. I've been staring at these for a long time, and I just thought, you know what? Instead of breaking it down to 3 videos, let's just do it all in one. Let's finish these up. Okay, we got 7 relays to check out, all the way from March 2017 to July, I think it was, of 2019. So yeah, we got 7 to check out. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we also got something special planned for the video, which we're gonna do at the beginning. Let's check it out. What do I got for you guys? We got the Gfriend light stick in the mail. Where's the front? Okay, we're gonna open that up today. Finally, it's been sitting, just like, oh my gosh, man. I've been meaning to get to a Gfriend video, but it's just been so much new stuff coming out, and I haven't had enough time to do any like videos like this. So let's get into it, guys. You guys know my love for Gfriend is real, okay? The only light sticks I bought were for Vicks and ATs, and this is gonna be my 3rd one. That is Gfriend. I would have dream catchers as well, but that sold out very quickly and I did not have a chance. Let's freaking go. Looks amazing. Really like this. Okay, no batteries, I'm assuming. Let's freaking go. Very nice. Very nice. We got different lights here. We got the blue, purple, got the strobe. Boom. Very nice. I like the blue. Actually, I like the purple because the blue is already there. Let's turn this off really quick. Heck yeah. That's me, the alien. Let's go. Perfect. Alright, with all that said, we are ready to hop into this. So let's go. Fingertip, the first one. I believe this is like the very first one, yeah? March 2017. Fingertip. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Shouldn't be started out serious. Let's go. Interesting doing this without everybody. Let's go, so 1. Yeah. 2017 was so awkward with like this black light too. The lighting is so much better nowadays. Let's go, Yuju. Come on. Hey. What's up, Boomji? Darren with the blonde though. Love the angles. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, Yuju. I love that part. What sad. Give me a second, give me a second. Ooh, the way she broke into those poses. Let's go. Ooh, I like that part. Get that down, lean to the side. The angles. And this is like early era relay dances. You can tell they're still figuring it out, figuring out the format and everything. Yeah. Hey. Winby. I love it. You can definitely tell they didn't prepare beforehand, but I like that. I like that they didn't. It's a good example of like how it was It's really became like such a format these days, where everyone kind of prepares it beforehand. Hey. Yeah. You better sing it. Let's go. Let's go. MG with the outro. She said, bah. Let's go. You. Alright, there you go. We're back in 2017, guys. Let's get into the next one. That is gonna be Love Whisper. Now, this is a few months later. Let's see what they got for this one. Of course, the choreo is just insane for this one, so it's gonna be very challenging, especially if they didn't prepare it in advance. So let's see what they got. 3, 2, 1, boom. The all white, the white sneakers. Let's go. Yeah! Swim and swim, kick and kick. Let's go. Hey, let's go. She said. So you're starting to see like everyone in the back kind of joining in on it. Whereas before they were kind of just like, okay, where are we in the song? Loving the smiles too in this one. Yeah! So good! And pop up. Ooh. Wait, one more time for that? Ooh. The musicality is always really interesting in that part. Let's go. Heel toe, heel toe. Ooh, Shinbi Papa. So energetic, this song. That's the one where they're all holding hands, I believe. Let's go. She's still looking. That's cute, man. Cute. Yeah, lots of hand holding, so like in this kind of like format, it's a lot of ghosting. When I say ghosting, just like pretending someone's there when they're not. Hey. Yeah. I gotta check for shoelaces in this one because y'all would not let me live it down that I didn't notice my bias having shoelaces on them. Also check out this balance real quick from Shinbi here. Look at this recovery. Good, good, good. She had to fix her foot there. Now I'm just looking at the shoes. Yup. Someone was not expecting that. She's like, okay, we're passing off quick now. She said, nah, bro. Let's go. Oh! Dude, they're having a lot more fun in this one. Yeah, sing it, MG. She said, this is my moment now. Yuju's like, man, you passed it off so quick to me. I was not ready for that. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, sing it. cute. Yeah, I'm wondering if like this is the beginning of them having like multiple takes. Let's get into the next one, which is gonna be Summer Rain. This is going to be September of 2017, man. We're going all the way back. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Once again. Choreo that is very teamwork oriented. To do it in this kind of format, it's always gonna be a bit difficult. It's like, okay, the hand here, okay. Let's go. Yeah. So they did a lot in 2017. This is the 3rd one already. Let's go. See what I mean? Like they're starting to incorporate everyone behind them now. Nice. Love that clock move. Actually, didn't you guys tell me of something different? He said, wow. Yep. Let's go, OMG. Yeah, I love them trying to figure it out. It's a nice different aspect of it. I'm so used to seeing like it's so prepared in this day and age. Let's go. Luna's so cute. They all are. Love that hand word. Switch and switch. That's not what they did. Switch and switch. Feels very ballet inspired, which naturally with this kind of instrumental. Nice little 2-step there. Nice pass up there. It's always the transition moves, like when you have to like be moving forward when you're not usually trying to get to the front like that. Hey, watch this. I feel like she was trying to figure out the fingers there. Oh, dramatic. Yes. Let's go. Queens. Queens. Queens of everything. They deserve the world, as always. Let's get into Time for the Moon Night 2018. So this is maybe like a year later? Probably not. Probably not a full year, but we're still got the black and white. Let's go. This is one of my favorite eras, for sure. Alright, let's go. So it's really cool. Let's get into Sunrise now. One of my favorites, if not my favorite. No, one of my favorites for sure. It's up there though. And now we're finally out of this black and white background. It's just the era of black and white, just the full black background. I'm just like, I'm done with it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Two headphones for this one. Hey. Oh my gosh. Just their energy is so different in these ones. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this outfit. This era, oh my goodness. Alright, Nice twirling. Yes, incorporate the back. Let's go. So-won is just... It's just so much clearer, you know? They're not just throwing away the moves, like they're really like putting their intention behind it now. Let's go. Are they all in heels? Looks like. Yeah, the lift. Let's go. Let's go. Yuju, or Yerin in the back here. Let's go. Yeah, man. Love this. Okay. Man, the styling in this era. See what I mean? Like, there's no... They know exactly what they're doing. It's like a really full performance. But they're also having fun with it. Like, that's the essence of good relay dance, right? I love this. Yeah! That's awesome. Love that. Love that moment. One more time, honestly. One more time before this high note comes back. Let's go. Ga, ga, ga. Shouldn't be. That moment. Nice, the walk up here. Dun dun dun. See, they're not taking themselves so seriously now. Let's go! Yeah. Nice. Love this. I love that. Love that one so much. Favorite one. Favorite one I've seen today. I want to see that ending. God. Watch Yuju be like, when do I come in? Oh, okay. And boom, and. Great job. Great work, ladies. Heck yeah. Alright, let's get into these last two. We got Fever and Sunny Summer. Of course, we're gonna go chronological order here. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. This era. All the eras, honestly. I've said that about all of them. The bright red. We got the lighting and everything. Yes. Oh. Just a moment of appreciation for So-won. Can we get a moment of appreciation for So-won? She is just stunning right now. All right, back it up for So-won. Look at the stylist. Thank you. So cute. Oh my goodness. It just doesn't end. The styling. Love the rainbow. Oh, the moment. Here we go. They're just having so much fun with it. It's so infectious. Oh no. Hey! Yuju. He dropped that low? Oh! They heard me say the last one was my favorite, and they're like, we're gonna destroy you in this one though. This moment, I was like, that's amazing. I love it. They're so in it. So cute. They're just so charming in this one, man. Oh! Hello, heel toe, heel toe. I love this. Okay! One more time for the hop. Hop, hop. I love Yuju. I love Gfriend. Oh! What happened? I think she was off for a second. So good. Oh my goodness. They are so charming. That's a huge part of performance. It's just their charisma and their charm is just incredible. Oh! Yuju is just... Alright, this is my favorite one. Yeah. Oh! Okay, Shinmi? Well, you guys see what I mean, right? The transformation between the first three that we watched, this, like, so proud of them. They're so cute. Wow. That was perfect. That was perfect. It had funny moments. It had the smile, the charm, everything that I love about Gfriend. That is so good. So good. Such a strong performance from them. Now we're gonna get into Fever. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I do love this song. Very different. Oh my gosh, Shinmi did not come to play. Let's go. They're just sure of themselves now, you know? That's what I feel. That's what the feeling I get from them. Yuju steals my heart every time. Just great attention to detail from everyone. And I love this makeup too that everyone has around the eyes and everything. Let's go! Yes! Oh, she waits till the last moment. Nice, and they're in the back here too. Yuju abs. Yuju abs. The shoulder. Yeah, someone. Pop off. Hey, hey. I love this choreo. She said, love MG getting these cool parts. Oh, pop, pop, pop. I missed it.
조금씩 선명해져가 행복한 이 느낌 여름밤꿈처럼 너를 만난 후로 퍼져가
Yeah.
새로운 나 작은 세상에 큰 꽃을 피워 날 사랑하는 법을 알 것만 같아 지금 이 순간 후회 없이 녹여주고
The walk, the presence from Yuju every time.
함께하고 싶어 눈부신 달빛 아래
Yeah.
열대야 같은 사랑을 하고 있어 너와 나
Oh my gosh, Indy. I love that spin move too.
새벽이 온데도
Nice. Oh, the waves. One more time for the waves really quick. Da, do, ga. Is that part of the choreo? I guess it is. But Jinbi's wave was just... Oh. Yeah. Nice. Yuju knows. Let's go. Ah, her groove just on point. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay? Let's freaking go. Oh. Gfriend. Gfriend just that went by so quickly, guys. I could watch. I wish there were more. I wish there were more relays to watch, but that is. We are caught up. Go check out the original, or not the original. Well, yeah, go check out the original videos, of course. I'm gonna like that video real quick. And of course, check out my reaction to the other 3 that we did. Check out, that was so much fun. Man, like these just keep getting better over the. It's crazy their evolution. Like you go from like each one, and each one just keeps getting better and better. So, I think still my favorite is going to be Sunny Summer. That was just such a joy to watch. And of course, the last 3 that we saw, like the newest ones, are all incredible. Like Mago Apple and Crossroads were just insane. Like just top tier kind of. Oh, so good. So good to check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed. More Gfriend stuff coming soon, I want to say. And if not, of course, we're going to do something crazy like this where we check out a bunch because I miss them. And I know you guys miss them as well. We're going to be checking out their solo stuff and their... whatever, just give me all the links. Please give me all the links like to everything that they've done because I've been so out of the K-pop loop in the last like 4 months. So please let me know in the comments below anything that you guys want me to check out. And of course, let me know what you guys thought of this video and what was your favorite one. Overall, what was your favorite relay dance from them? And well, also from this video, like what was your favorite? So, buddies, thanks for watching. And thanks for supporting. Really appreciate your guys' support, and it makes it so much more fun because you guys love watching it and I love watching it, so it's just like it's a nice little thing that we get to enjoy together. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.